Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to choose the right professional cleaning services and how they can help you with all your cleaning needs professionally. With the increasing number of cleaning services available, it can be a daunting task to find the right one. But with Limpier Cleaning Services, you can rest assured that you have made the right choice. First and foremost, it is essential to identify your specific cleaning needs. This could include regular cleaning for your office or home, or special cleaning requirements such as post-construction or post-move-in cleanups. By understanding your requirements, you can narrow down the options and find a cleaning service that best suits your needs. Next, consider the reputation and experience of the cleaning service. Research reviews and testimonials from previous clients to gauge the quality of their work and customer satisfaction. You can also check if the company has any certifications or memberships in professional associations related to your industry. Another crucial factor to consider is the range of services offered by the cleaning service. Ensure that the company you choose provides services that suit your specific needs, such as deep cleaning, laundry services, or janitorial services. This will help you save time and energy and have a seamless cleaning experience. Lastly, consider the pricing and payment options. Make sure the cleaning service offers flexible payment options and a reasonable price range that fits your budget. This will also help you plan your budget and avoid any unexpected costs. With the right professional cleaning services, you can trust that your space is clean and well maintained. With Limpier Cleaning Services, you can enjoy a seamless cleaning experience, knowing that you have made the best choice. So, go ahead and choose the right professional cleaning services for your needs, and let them handle all the hard work for you.